for you. But this is what I want you to do. Every single day when you wake up, you're going to set an intention. That intention is you're going to open your mobile device that you open in anyway, because you're taking it to the bathroom with you every single morning. What I want you to do by 8 a.m. every single day is to reach out to 8 people. But we're going to be very strategic about the 8 people, okay? Because we're going to add this 2,880 contacts to our customer relationship management system in a strategic manner. That means that I want you to apply the Ford model. Yes, I said Ford, like your F-150, F-O-R-D. What is Ford? Ford is an acronym that stands for family, occupation, recreation, and dreams. You're going to go through your feed and you're going to identify the Ford of the people in which you would do business with. And I'm going to give you a prime example of what this would look like. You're going to reach out to people in a very strategic manner, okay? And I'm going to just go over to Facebook. I want everybody right now to just go on over to Facebook. And when you go over to Facebook, I'm just going to go to my feed, okay? Now, remember, I'm keeping the Ford model in mind, F-O-R-D. And I'm going to just start scrolling through my feed. Of course, I see some real estate listings. That's great information, okay? Let's see here. Somebody talking about a condo in a building. Let's see here. Jewel Measures had a closing today. Jules is an attorney here in the Chicagoland area. Let's see, someone telling me they stand 10 toes down. Yes, we want to stand 10 toes down. So I'm going to just keep scrolling through my feed because what I'm trying to find are going to be the Ford model of 10 people. So I see Darlene. I've known Darlene since college. We attended Chicago State University together. Darlene has lost a lot of weight. So remember, we're talking about family, occupation, recreation, and dreams. Losing weight is a dream of Darlene. What I can now do is go back to my customer relationship management system and note how much weight Darlene has lost, right? But instead of me going over to Facebook on her feed, right, I can now slide directly into her DM. And I can acknowledge that with a video message and or an audio message, okay? Now, one thing that I like to do, and I want you to start implementing this process into your business. I am a Marshall TJ Maxx girl, okay? And I always keep me an arsenal of note cards. So we've seen a lot of death, okay? If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. Let me say that death is inevitable. So I actually have cards for the death of pets, dogs and cats, right? Because they're like family. So I got 2 different versions of dog death cards because if someone's pet passes away, I want to be able to send them a card. I have happy birthday cards. I have best dad cards, but I have something awesome. Let me see. Is in the air. Best of luck on your new adventure. So best of luck cards, right? And these cards are inexpensive. None of these cards cost more than $1.99. Here's a thinking of you sympathy card. Here's another thinking of you sympathy card. And so you want to keep you an arsenal of cards. Now, I know that Darlene just relocated, okay? So I could send her a card, one, about the purchase of her new home, but also about her weight loss. And then I'm going to go back to my customer relationship management system, update the new mailing address. I almost know where she lives, okay, based on her post. But let me tell you how funny this is. So Skylar saw a building the other day, and he asked the agent for the address. The agent did not respond with the address. I responded with the address. Skylar says, Ma, how did you know what the address was? Well, one, there was a business awning that had a business name. I Googled the business name. It told me the address. So people are telling you enough information that you can almost pinpoint where they are. Okay. So Skylar was like, you knew that address. It wasn't no rocket scientist, right? I saw the awning and I Googled the business, which told me what the address was. Now, Google is here for a purpose. We have to implement it in our 8x8 to allow us to identify the mailing address and connections of other people.